What is up guys, today we will talk about how you guys can transfer Toncoin from Tonkeeper to Binance. Well, for that, as you guys can see, I have Tonkeeper app right here. Now currently, unfortunately, the Tonkeeper or the Toncoins are not available or listed, so officially there is no real value of it. However, if you have some of it and you want to transfer it, you just have to tap on send and then select the cryptocurrency that you have and then get the recipient address from the Binance wallet and paste it right here. You can send your USDTs right here. Just go to the USDT, tap on send, and then simply add the address, add any comment, and then send it. So sending it is pretty simple. Once you have anything, just tap on send, enter the recipient address from Binance, or to get the recipient address from Binance, you just have to open up your Binance, go to deposit crypto, and then select from other wallet, and they will show you what cryptocurrency you want to deposit. You just have to select whatever you want to deposit. If there is Tonkeeper available or Toncoin available, just select Toncoin, and then there you go. You will easily be able to get the recipient address. Just put the recipient address here to transfer it. But unfortunately, you won't be able to see the Toncoins right there on the Binance because they are yet to be listed. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.